Now welcome to Sri Ganitha Vijnana Sarvaswam JEE and MSET online video channel. Is presented by B. Ramesh Kumar, JL in Mathematics. In this video, we will discuss JEE Mains January 2020 chapter-wise solutions. Now our topic is sequence and series. In last video, we discussed some questions in this topic, and the remaining questions we'll discuss here. Before going to our topic, watch this complete video. If you like, press the like button and subscribe my channel. Now, useful formulas are, the first one is sum of first n natural numbers. Sn equals to summation n. Here summation n means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n. Now that formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is one of the important formula. And next one is sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Sn equals to summation n square. That is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square. That formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. The next one is sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, that is summation n cube. Here summation n cube will be written as summation n whole square. Here summation n means n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now simplify this, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. This is also one of the important formula. And next one is, here we observe that the sequence may be defined three types of series. First one is arithmetic progression or arithmetic series, which is in the form a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d plus and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. And here we observe that a plus n minus 1 into d, it will be denoted by tn, that is nth term of arithmetic progression, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here d means common difference, a means first term, and sum of n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 2a will be written as a plus a, and we write second term a plus n minus 1 into d, which is nth term of the arithmetic progression. Here the nth term is denoted by L. Now at the another formula is n by 2 into a plus L. So given first term, number of terms and common difference, find sum of n terms, are given first term, last term and sum of n terms, are also calculated sum of n terms. And here a is first term, d is common difference and L is last term, n equals to number of terms. And another series is geometric progression series. Here the form is ar square and so on, ar to the power of n minus 1. Here we observe that a is first term, r is the common ratio. Here each term is multiplied by some constant value, that value is called common ratio. And here we observe that a into r to the power of n minus 1 is the nth term of the geometric progression. Here a equals first term, r equals to common ratio. And we observe sum of n terms in the geometric series, that is a plus ar square plus and so on plus ar to the power of n minus 1. Here we observe the sum of n terms are depend upon r is greater than 1, r is less than 1 and r equals to 1. In this, a into r to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. Here common ratio is greater than 1, and a into 1 minus r to the power of n plus 1 by 1 minus r. Here r is less than 1 and r equals to 1. The sum of n terms equal to na. And similarly we go to sum of infinite terms, that is denoted by a by 1 minus r. Here r is always less than 1. Now these are very important formulas from this chapter. Next we go to the problems. The next problem is the product 2 power 1 by 4 into 4 power 1 by 16 into 8 power 1 by 48 into 16 power 1 by 128 into and so on to infinity is equals to, given options are, first one is 2 power 1 by 4, second one is 2, third one is 2 power 1 by 2 and fourth one is 1. Now we go to the solution. The given series is 2 power 1 by 4 into 4 power 1 by 16 into 8 power 1 by 48 into 16 power 1 by 128 into and so on to infinity. Here we write 4, 8, 16 in powers of 2, that is 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4 and so on. And also observe here in the series 2 square power 1 by 16, which is in the form of a power m whole power n, that is a power mn. So simplify this. Now 16 is divided by 2 and 40 is divided by 3 and 128 is divided by 4. Then we get the series is 2 power 1 by 4 into 2 power 1 by 8 into 2 power 1 by 16 into 2 power 1 by 32 into and so on to infinity. And the next step is, we observe in each term the common base is 2. Therefore, in this 2 power, all powers are added in the series. So 2 power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32 plus and so on to infinity. And we observe here in the power 1 by 4 plus, next we write 1 by 8 is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 16 is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 32 will be written as 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus and so on to infinity. So we observe the power is in the form of a plus ar square plus and so on up to infinity. So here a equals to 1 by 4 and r equals to 1 by 2. So which is in infinite GP, which is in infinite GP. So we know that sum of infinite terms in the geometric progression, that is S infinity equals to a plus ar square plus and so on equals to a by 1 minus r. Here clearly we observe that 1 by 2 is less than 1. So r is less than 1. So we apply this formula in this power. Next, the value is 2 power a means 1 by 4 by 1 minus r means 1 by 2. Now substitute these values in this. Then we get 2 power 1 by 4 into 2 by 1. Now 4 is divided by 2, that is 2 power 1 by 2. So which is in the option 3. This is our solution for this problem. The next problem is, if x equal to summation n equal 0 to infinity minus 1 power n tan power 2 n theta and y equals to summation n equal 0 to infinity cos power 2 n theta when theta lies between 0 and pi by 4. Then the given options are, first one is y into 1 plus x equal to 1, second one is x into 1 minus y equals to 1, third one is y into 1 minus x equal to 1 and fourth one is x into 1 plus y equals to 1. Now we go to the solution. In the given problem, the value of x equals to the series n equals 0 to infinity minus 1 power n tan power 2 n theta. Now we expand this series. Here first we take n equals 0 in this term, minus 1 power 0, that means 1, tan power 2 into 0 theta, tan power 0 theta, that means this is also 1. Total value will be 1. This is the first term. And put to n equals to 1, minus 1 power 1, that means minus 1 into tan power 2 into 1 theta, tan square theta. So minus tan square theta, which is second term. Similarly, put n equals to 2 in this term, minus 1 whole square, that means plus tan power 2 into 2, tan power 4 theta. So similarly, each and every term written as follows. And here we observe the series is a plus ar plus ar square plus and so on, which is in the infinite geometric progression. So the sum of this series, sum of the terms of this series, that equals a by 1 minus r. So here r is less than 1, and we apply this formula, and here we take a equals to 1 and r equals to minus tan square theta. So that equals to x equals to a by 1 minus r. So substitute a value 1 by 1 minus of r value minus tan square theta. So that equals to 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. Now 1 plus tan square theta equals to secant square theta, which is trigonometric identity. So 1 by secant square theta means cos square theta. So let us assume that this is the equation number 1. And in the given problem, the value of y equals to the series n equals 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta. Here also expanding this one, that is 1 plus cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta plus and so on. So here also this is infinite geometric series, that is 1 by 1 minus cos square theta. Using trigonometric identity, y equals to 1 by sin square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta written as sin square theta. Now 1 by y equal to sin square theta. Let us assume that this is equation number 2. Now first we observe that equation 1 and equation 2 in RHS cos square theta and sin square theta contains both equations. Now adding these equations, then we get x plus 1 by y equals to cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now using trigonometric identity, this value equals to 1. So x plus 1 by y equals to 1. Now 1 by y equals to 1 minus x. Here simplify this, 1 equals to y into 1 minus x. Therefore the condition is y into 1 minus x equals to 1. This is our answer. Now the next problem is, let an be the nth term of geometric progression of positive terms. Here we observe, in geometric progression an is always positive. That means first term and common ratio are also positive, and each and every term is also positive. And the conditions, if the summation n equals to 1 to 100, a2n plus 1 equals to 200, and similarly the summation n equals to 1 to 100, a2n equals to 100, then find the value summation n equals to 1 to 100 an. Now the given options are, first one is 300, second one is 175, third one is 225, fourth one is 150. Next, in the given problem, an is positive term of GP, and let us assume that the geometric progression is ar square and so on. This is the form of GP. And given that the first expansion summation n equals to 1 to 100, a2n plus 1. First we expand this, put n equals to 1, a2 into 1 plus 1, that is a3, a2 into 2 plus 1, that is a5, plus and so on. Put n equals to 100, a2 into 100 plus 1, a2 not 1. So the value of this one equals to 200, already given in this problem. And here we write a3 can be written as ar square, and a5 can be written as ar to the power of 4, and a7 can be written as ar to the power of 6, and last term a into r to the power of 200. Now we observe that in this the total terms are 100 terms. That value already given 200. Using nth term formula, Sn equals to a into r to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. Here r is greater than 1 because of an is the positive term. Now we substitute these values. The first term ar square into r to the power of n plus 1. Here r means r square, n means 100. So r square power 100 minus 1 by r square minus 1, that equals to 200. Let us assume that which is the equation number 1. In the second condition is summation n equals 1 to 100, a2n equals to a2 plus a4 plus and so on a200 equals to 100. Now here we write the values of a2, a4 up to a200 are ar plus ar cube plus ar to the power of 5 plus and so on a into r to the power of 199. Now we can observe the number of terms equals to 100 because of n equals to 100. So that equals to the value equals to 100 already given in the problem. Now we can apply sum of n terms formula of GP, that is Sn equals to a into r to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by r minus 1. Here r is greater than 1. In this problem r is always greater than 1, positive terms, because of an is the positive term. Now we substitute the values of first term and common ratios. The first term is ar into r to the power of, here r means r square to the power of 100 minus 1 by r square minus 1, that equals to 100. And let us assume that this equation be 2. We observe both equations. In the LHS, the terms a r to the power of 200 minus 1 and r square minus 1 are common. Now we divide equation with equation 2 to equation 1. Then the value r equals to 2. Here both are cancelled. That is a r to the power of 200 minus 1 and r square minus 1 in numerator and denominator. Next, find the sum is summation n equals to 1 to 200 an. First we write this expansion is summation n equals to 1 to 100 a2n plus 1 plus summation n equals to 1 to 100 a2n. That equals to the values of these expansions already given in the problem, 200 plus 100 equal to 300. Now we observe that in the first expansion it has the terms r terms a3, a5, a7 and so on. In the second expansion has even terms a2, a4, a6 up to and so on. Now we write total terms in both expansions in this, that is a2 plus a3 plus and so on plus a201, that equals to the RHS value 300. And the original terms in this equation are ar square, ar cube and so on a into r to the power of 200. Because of this is in GP. Now here an is the positive term in the GP. Now we observe clearly a2 is the positive term, a3 is the positive term, up to a201 is the positive term. Now both terms are in GP. Therefore, which is in the form ar plus ar square plus ar cube plus ar to the power of 4 plus and so on a into r to the power of 200, that equals to 300. Now we take r common in the series, that is r into a plus ar square plus and so on a into r to the power of 199. Now here use the values of this one can be written in summation form, that is n equals to 1 to 200 an, that equals to, which is 300 by 2. Now divide with r to the value 300. Therefore 300 by 2 equals to 150, which is our answer in the option 4. The next problem is the number of terms common the two arithmetic progressions are 3, 7, 11, 407 and the second AP is 2, 9, 16 and so on 709 is dash. So which is integer type question. Here we observe that two arithmetic progressions are given. The first AP is 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27 up to and so on. And similarly the second AP is 2, 9, 16, 23 up to and so on. So here we observe the first common term in both arithmetic progressions is 23. So 23 is the first common term in both arithmetic progressions. So first we write first common term is 23. And similarly, the first common difference. The common difference is LCM of first and second common differences. Here we observe that the LCM of first and second common difference of APs. So in first AP, the first common difference is 4. In second AP, the second common difference is 7. Now that is LCM of 4 and 7. Here we observe 4 and 7 are both are relatively prime numbers. Now the LCM of these is the product of these numbers, that is 4 into 7 equals to 28. Now we observe that the last common term must be less than or equal to 407, because of here the first AP the terms up to 407 only, in second AP the terms up to 709 only. Now here 407 is always less than 709, therefore the common term of both APs compulsory is less than or equal to 407. Now we find the nth term of this one, that is the formula is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So the nth term compulsory must be less than or equal to 407. Now we write the first term and common differences in this formula. 23 plus n minus 1 into 28 is less than or equal to 407. Next, n minus 1 into 28 is less than or equal to 407 minus 23, that equals to 384. Here n is less than or equal to 13.71 plus 1, that is 14.71. So here the minimum integer is 14 only. So therefore the number of terms common in both arithmetic progressions are 14. This is the solution for this problem. Wish you all the best for the students.